Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I'm Darren, of course, and today we're going to do the last of my anything but beef burger series. And today it's going to be Berkshire pork, and we're going to make a barbecue pork burger. We're going to add some smoke to it, do it low and slow, reverse sear it a little bit, and we're going to use a new rub I'm creating here. I'm kind of still in the process. Black gold and honey barbecue. It's got black garlic in it, of course, honey, some mustard, a little bit of South Carolina, North Carolina mix. So we're gonna see how this is on our barbecue Berkshire pork burger. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, so like I said, it's going to be a barbecue pork burger. So we're using the ground Berkshire pork from Wild Fork. Like I said, I'm going to show it to you here. Now the Berkshire pork is a heritage breed, and it's got plenty of fat in here. And what we're going to do, like I said, I'm going to reverse sear it. Got my pellet grill smoking up here. You can see, I better turn that fan on, kind of blow that smoke away from us. So we're going to do the first part of the cook is going to be just get some smoke to it. So I got it set to like 2 1/4, 225 there. We're going to put the patties on with our seasoning, the black golden honey barbecue that I'm working on. Not available for purchase yet, but coming soon. We're going to let that smoke for about 20 minutes or so, get some smoke to it. Then we're going to turn that grill up, sear them off, and then eat them up. I'm going to put some other condiments on here, kind of make it a little different than the other burgers. So you're going to see when I get back. I'm going to patty these up. I'm not going to bore you with that, and I'll be back when they're done. All right, guys, so I got my mise en place out here, so it just means my prep. So we're going to put a little shredded cheese on there. This is just a mix of Colby Jack and cheddar, some pickled red onions. And then for some crunch and a little heat, I'm going to put a little jalapeños, crispy jalapeños on mine. We're going to top it off with some Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. And like I said, this seasoning, black gold and honey barbecue, it's going to be very similar to a South Carolina mixed with North Carolina type sauce or seasoning that you would find. It's got some good mustard in there, black garlic, of course, honey, sugar, salt, a little bit of everything. Just a little bit of touch of heat with a little cayenne and a little cumin and some secret ingredients as well. But that's what we're going to use today to season this up. I got my buns ready. Like I said, we're going to season these on both sides, of course, with our rub. This little burger here is going to be for my dog, so I'm not going to put a ton of rub on that one. Then we're going to do both sides of this. And then, like I said, we'll smoke it for about 15 or 20 minutes in the Rectech Bullseye Deluxe. And then we're going to go ahead and take them off for a second, get that thing fired up to about 600 degrees, and then we'll sear them off. So it's going to be really quick, guys. So as you can tell, I'm going to show you here what the pork looks like. It's got plenty of fat in there. Looks really good, all seasoned up. I know that doing that low and slow first is going to render some of that fat. So, all right, let me season these up on the other side, and I'll be back when we're tossing these on the grill. I'll be back. All right, guys, let's get this on. Now, these got plenty of fat on them, like I said, so I'm hoping they're kind of loose. Hoping that doing this reverse sear type cook will let them get a little bit more firm. But I'll see you guys back in 15 minutes, and we'll take them off and get that heated up, and we'll get them seared off. All right, guys, we're going to take these off for a second. It's been about 15 or so minutes. Didn't get too cooked. The bottom did, though. Hopefully they got a little smoke to them. Now we're going to crank this up. Oh, let's see, I'll crank it all the way up to 700. Close this up, let it get heat. We'll give it about 7 or 8 minutes for that, and we'll be back. All right, guys, the grill is super hot. It's almost 600 degrees. Some of that pork fat's burning off. It dripped while it was reverse searing. So we're going to put these on the opposite side of what they were before, and we'll sear them up. All right, I'll back when we're flipping them. All right, guys, it's been about 2 minutes. You can hear them sizzling. Go ahead and flip it. Ooh, they look pretty good. And we want these well done, but I think they're going to be pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put the cheese on. Let that melt all over it. All right, close up the lid, get it to melt. All right, guys, let's see if that cheese is melted yet. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty awesome. Get it up close to that. Yeah, baby. All right, we'll get these off, take a bite, see how they turned out. All right, guys, we'll finish up close here, just so you guys can see what we're doing. So I'm gonna take my bun, first of all. I'm gonna take just a little bit of the Duke's Carolina Gold barbecue sauce and put some on the bottom, some on the top. It's going to soak into the bun there a little bit. I think we got plenty of that on there. So, all right, let me get the burger on. Take this one here as mine. All right, cheese is looking good. Gonna put a little bit of those pickled onions on there. The sweetness of the vinegar and the bite of the vinegar is gonna make it pretty good. Get them on there. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of these fried jalapeños on as well, for a little bit of heat and a little bit of crunch. There we go, Berkshire ground pork barbecue burger. Get that on. Lose it. There you have it, guys. Check it out. Let's cut that open, guys, see how it is. Hear the crunch from those jalapeños. Alrighty, guys, let's take a bite of this thing. See how it turned out. Very juicy. It'll be very tasty. Wow. Check it out, guys. Barbecue pork burger. Look for the black and gold honey barbecue coming soon. But you can use any kind of barbecue rub you like. Well, check it out. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and I'll see you again on the next Fire and Water Cooking video.